Дорогие друзья, специально для вас было разработано эффективное приложение для изучения английского языка, в котором вы сможете тренировать произношение самых популярных фраз и доводить их до автоматизма. Скачивайте приложение в RuStore по ссылке в описании или на нашем сайте. Послушаем простой рассказ на английском.
Last month, I got a new job. I now work in IT as a software tester. I was very happy when I got the job offer. It is my first job in the IT field. My job is to test software. I check if everything works correctly. If there is a problem, I find it and report it. This helps the developers fix the issues. On my first day, I met my team. They are very friendly and helpful. My manager showed me my desk. I have a computer and all the tools I need. I felt excited to start working. I had some training on my first day. I learned about the software we test. I also learned how to use the testing tools. It was a lot of information, but it was interesting. Every morning, we have a team meeting. We talk about what we did yesterday and what we will do today. This helps us stay organized and work together. I like these meetings because they help me understand my tasks. One of my tasks is to write test cases. A test case is a set of steps to check if the software works. I follow these steps and see if there are any problems. If I find a problem, I write a report. This report goes to the developers. I also do manual testing. This means I use the software like a regular user. I try to find any issues that might happen in real life. It is like playing a game and looking for bugs. Sometimes, I do automated testing. This means I use a special program to test the software. It can test many things quickly. I write scripts for these tests. It is a bit challenging, but I enjoy it. My manager is very supportive. He always answers my questions and gives me advice. My team members also help me a lot. We work together to make sure the software is the best it can be. I like my new job because it is interesting and challenging. I learn something new every day. I also like solving problems. It feels good to find a bug and help fix it. Working in IT is exciting. There are many opportunities to grow and learn. I want to become better at my job. I plan to take some courses to improve my skills. In the future, I want to be a senior tester. I also want to learn about other areas in IT. Maybe one day, I will become a developer. But for now, I am happy with my new job. My family and friends are very proud of me. They know I worked hard to get this job. They support me and encourage me. It feels good to have their support. Every day, I go to work with a smile. I enjoy my tasks and my team. I feel lucky to have this job. It is the start of a new and exciting career for me. I hope to achieve many things in this job. I want to help my team and the company. I am ready to work hard and learn as much as I can. This is a great opportunity for me. I am thankful for this new job. It has changed my life in a positive way. I look forward to going to work every day.
Listen to the next story. Yesterday, I walked through the forest. I saw a little hedgehog. I took him to my home. Every time I wanted to touch him, he was afraid. He snorted and curled up into a ball. Then I took a saucer and poured warm milk into it. The hedgehog approached the saucer. The hedgehog sniffed the milk. He began to lap up the milk. After he finished the milk, he ran up to me and raised his muzzle. He wanted more milk. Night came and I went to bed. The hedgehog stomped all night and didn't let me sleep. The next day, I took him back to the forest. Maybe we'll see each other again, I told him. Listen to the next story. Tomorrow I will go for a walk with my friend. We agreed with her to do this in the morning. We will meet her near the stadium. There are many beautiful places there. There's a lot of free space there. We will take our dogs with us. They also love to walk together. First, we will walk and talk. Then we will run 10 kilometers. Most likely, after the walk, we will buy ice cream. My friend will buy chocolate ice cream. And I will buy pistachio ice cream. We will have a good time together. After the walk, we will go to her house. We will drink cold strawberry juice. We will listen to music and laugh. Listen to the next story. It is raining outside. I got all wet because I didn't take an umbrella. But it's warm outside. Therefore, after the rain, there will be a rainbow. The rainbow consists of 7 colors. The red color is at the top. This color is like the color of a tomato. A little lower is orange. An orange is also orange in color. Below it is yellow. The sun is also yellow. I really like the green color. This is the color of life. Light blue color, like the color of the sky. Blue is my son's favorite color. Purple is the color of lilac. Дорогие друзья, специально для вас было разработано эффективное приложение для изучения английского языка, в котором вы сможете тренировать произношение самых популярных фраз и доводить их до автоматизма. Скачивайте приложение в RuStore по ссылке в описании или на нашем сайте.